It's a new 2020 Genesis G80. Like a breathtaking athlete, this sedan's performance is as graceful and beautiful as it is powerful. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, hands-free liftgate, twin turbo V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, streaming audio, heated steering wheel, height adjustable automatic suspension, auto dimming rear view mirror, and heated and ventilated leather sport seats. For Genesis, luxury is about more than just comfort. It's about performance, it's about versatility, and it's about safety too. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.